So we are at the auctions today. Unfortunately, last time we busted. It was 0 from 3, terrible cars. Hopefully we have some better luck today. And we're starting off with this 2006, I believe, Mazda 6 MPS. Alrighty, let's do a walk around. We've got headlights in need of some love. A couple of is this rock chips? Quite a few rock chips. So this car probably lived out in the country somewhere. This is all-wheel drive. Got very nice new tyres. It's still got the little things on the side there. Down the side. Again, nice new tyres.
Paint's pretty good as well.
Pretty good. Spoiler here. I think it honestly just needs a good clean and polish. The tail lights look, I mean that one looks brand new.
So does this one.
It's immaculate. And again, near new tyres. Alright, let's see if she opens up. I mean, from the outside, the car looks bloody perfect. Inside wise, this is a very nice car. This is way nicer. Oh, power seats. This is way nicer than the Mazda 3 that we started this entire challenge with. I'm liking, wow, this is fancy. We've got Scientific Motor Body Workshop. Ah, here we go. Repair your vehicle. So the car has been repaired. It's not listed on, here we go. Alright, so they had to remove the door, wiring, so left hand side, front, rear, the fuel flap. So I dare say it's been an accident on that side. 2 new tail lights, hood lining, curtain airbag. Wow, so everything came off the left side of the vehicle. I mean, if the work's been done properly, I'm not too concerned as I'm buzzing at the moment. Alright, let's see if she starts. Sounds pretty good.
No codes or anything on the...
Nope, no lights, no warning lights. And James opened a bonnet. I can, but Morgan can't.
So is this the same 2.3 as the Mazda 3?
Yes, I believe. So interestingly, it's still got a top mount with scoops. Someone's taken another car. So everything looks really good here. Just a bit dirty. You can definitely see that this has been repainted. There's no dirt on it whatsoever, and you compare it to the strut tops here, they're all dirty, so it definitely has been repainted. We'll have a look at how good of a job they've done blending it all in. So if we have a look here, you know what? I reckon they've nailed it. That's amazing. I mean, it seems to have been repaired excellently. So this is a very solid contender and an awesome car. So we found a good one, finally.
Wait, quickly give it a rev.
Oh yeah, go out the back, see how it sounds. Yeah, it needs an exhaust. Alrighty, I really like it, to be honest. But we've got more cars to look at, so let's move on to the next one. So, keeping on with our turbo theme, is this little red bullet, a Hyundai Veloster Turbo. Right away, you can tell that there's some condensation in the headlight, which, yeah, just annoying really. We'll have a look around. This also has brand new tires. Wow, really good tire game at the auction at the moment. We've got a bit of clear coat peeling on the top there, but thankfully the rest of the roof, yeah, it's an okay. I guess this is glass, but it looks like it's been tinted. Tops of the mirrors as well, clear coat peeling. The rims don't look like they're gutter rashed. I mean, apart from, we've got a couple of scratches on the top here, but apart from the paint peel, just, yeah, doesn't seem too bad. We've got a rivalry auction thing, so this hasn't sold at another auction, which is a little concerning. But we'll see. Yep, it's got a battery. All right. I remember sitting in a few of these. This seat is so far up. Let's go down. Yeah, that's all it goes down. Okay. I remember sitting in these thinking it looks like a freaking alien spaceship. It's just weird, but let's see if she starts. Okay, took a little bit. A little worryingly, we've got a cable just dangling down there. Okay, the aircon definitely works. That is very cold. Start.
Sounds a little
odd.
Oh, smoke's coming out.
Oh, really?
Yep. Yeah, I don't know if it picks up on the camera, but there's a bit of smoke coming out. Are they on revving it?
Okay, I'll chuck it some more.
They like hesitate.
Yeah.
Something's not quite right.
No, it's everything else but the sound is wrong with this thing. I mean, right with this thing. Alright, I mean, we'll give it a rev. It does sound a little ticky. Oh, it doesn't like that. Alright.
There's like a I don't know. It doesn't sound awful, but it just doesn't sound quite right.
Yeah, I think also you've also got to think about, I think we learnt the lesson pretty hard on the Lexus, and that is that even if you get a screamer of a deal on a vehicle, it's still only worth what someone's willing to pay for it. Now, when I was growing up, I did not aspire to own a Veloster Turbo. Morgan?
Definitely did not either.
No, so you've also got to think, how hard is this going to be to sell, with the added risk that potentially there could be something wrong with the engine. Could just be low on oil, making a bit of a valve kind of ticking noise.
I think that the grave concern though is
it didn't sell at another auction.
this little auction sticker here.
So, and just this is not the auction that sticker says it's from. So yeah, I mean, maybe if it's cheap, I mean, paint fade on the roof, condensation in the headlight. Yeah, I don't know, the MPS is still winning me over at the moment. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, but probably not.
So if this looks a little bit familiar, it's because it is. We just looked at this MPS Mazda 6, I believe. It was really clean, but the next car we're looking at is right next to it, which is a Toyota Caldina. Turbo, 4-cylinder, all drive. It's kind of like a competitor to like a WRX. straight away, the keys held together, looks like by duct tape. But let's have a look. So straight away, the bonnet needs some attention. It's got all paint. The clear coat fade looks like someone's really tried to fix it or something. There's heaps of swirl marks and scratches all over it. Headlights, again, like most cars here, need a little fix up. I think apart from that, actually the tires are brand new tires. They've obviously put some, you know, tire shine on that one as well. Yeah.
It's like Enki RPF ones.
It's actually got pretty good fitment too for factory. The spoiler back here has got some more clear coat here, fade as well. Got some condensation inside the tail light there. So this one's a GT4N. What does it mean? I don't know, you tell me. Oh, look at this fuel cap too. This feels like just a sticker, they're just double-sided tape on that one, but yeah, oh. Yeah, so this paint's not the best on this, but I mean, it's a pretty cool car though. So let's open her up. Oh. So it has some complimentary coffee cup. That looks nasty. Leave that one back there. It is automatic. One thing that makes this car awesome is the seats. Comes with Recaros, and they look awesome. And actually the bolstering is really nice as well on them. So you can, you know, when you're going around the two, hold you in your place, nice. So it doesn't spill the cup of coffee. So it's got 174,000 kilometers. We'll just pop the bonnet as well. Let's have a look.
Hey, hold that. We're gonna clip it.
Top mount as well. Man, this is actually really heavy.
Yeah, so similar to the MPS, literally there. The top mount intercooler. Morgan, thoughts?
So someone's obviously put some love into it a little bit. They've got this nice little red strut brace. They've got this radiator cooling panel here from Beatrice Late. I don't know how to pronounce that. They've got some coolant hoses as well. It's still a factory radiator though, so I don't know. Makes it look cooler because it's blue, I guess. Makes it faster. Let's give it a rev. See what it sounds like.
And it's from Pro Spec Imports. Whoever you are, shout out. So Morgan, thoughts on the car?
I mean, it's not terrible. It needs some love, but these type of cars, struts need replacing. These kind of cars people are really into. So even though it needs some love like this, if we could pick it up for cheap, it probably still wouldn't be an issue selling it with, you know, these issues it has. It seems to run fine. I don't know what else to say. I think it's awesome, really.
So yeah, this is the Toyota's version of the WRX. Shall we look at a real WRX?
So the next car we're looking at, like James said, is a WRX, which is a direct competitor to the Caldina. And have a look at how weird this key is. It's like a little Dorito kind of thing. Yeah, Subaru, what are you doing? I don't know. But yeah, let's have a look at it. Really love it. Oh, look at those wheels. Are those Rota grids? Avid ones. Tires are actually pretty good. Well, the cobweb's been sitting here for a while, obviously. Man, the wheels though, they're so nice. Yeah, tires actually really good. It's got an exhaust, an X-Force exhaust. Honestly, it's actually really clean. Headlights might need a little bit of a fix-up, but so far, this is really nice. I'm really digging it. Let's have a look inside. I can't fault it on the outside, honestly. It's got power too.
Always a good sign.
Manual. as well, which the Caldina was not.
Very nice seats.
Yeah, really nice leather seating with the red stitching. It's actually really clean in here. Actually quite surprised as well. Yeah, this is really nice. Nothing to cause any concern.
Wait, before you say that, how about you start the engine?
Okay, I'll start the engine and then we'll see. That was a weird sound. That was like, I wonder if you can hear that on the mic.
Not enough battery to kick over?
I have no idea. Wait, bring the camera here and have a look at the dash as I try and start it.
Holy I mean, holy, wow. Sounds like a machine gun firing off.
That's so weird though.
Ha! Look at these little things. Little Shrek ear. They're not speakers, surely.
That's a bummer. Honestly, like, everything's going so well.
Morgan still retains his title of being able to find the cars that don't work at the auction. Oh, pop the bonnet. Maybe he's got some goodies under the bonnet.
Okay, and then filter.
Is it strutless?
Oh yeah, there's you trying to hold it up. The intake pipe. I wonder if that's just to make it look good. It's still got the factory airbox though, so it's probably just a K&N filter. And then it says here Pro Speed Racing. I don't know why you'd change that out, because you know the factory one's probably silicone anyway, so or plastic. So you probably wouldn't get any sound out of it.
Nothing boost related, because it's still got a factory wastegate and recirculation valve. Too much to gamble?
Yeah, honestly, if it was something easy or easy to diagnose, it'd be great. But
all right, out of this, well, this one's a no because it won't even start. Out of the three, what are you thinking?
I think my personal favourite is the Caldina, but realistically, probably the MPS is probably the best bet.
Yeah, agree.
It's the most solid out of all of them.
Yeah.
I know. I think all of them, in all honesty, all of them could be a good buy. It's just what price they go for, really. Like this, if this goes for cheap, no one bids on it. It'd probably be worth a punt. But
it'll be interesting to see on the ad if it says it starts and turns over. Because if it does, then it could just be a flat battery.
Could be. But then that's another gamble, because at the auctions, you're not allowed to jump start it.
Not until you bought it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this as well.
Cool wheels though.
Oh, it's got a sub. Little fuse just hanging around there. So that one's some speakers. But yeah, it doesn't start. So I don't know. We'll see how much it goes for. Keep an eye on it, but I think it's pretty much a no.
Alrighty, take us out, Morgan.
Yeah, well, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Comment below which you think.
Yeah, comment below what you reckon. I think the Mazda is the safest bet, but again, I think the Caldina would probably be the easiest to sell. If price-wise it was right, just because there's probably more of a following, I reckon. MPS though, again, I guess it has a following as well, and it's really tidy. This would have been great if it started, but it does not. So yeah, I don't know. I guess you'll find out in the next episode whether we've bought one or if we're still looking for one. So yeah, see you in the next one.